Hey guys, quick, I'm just playing around with the coil right now, just trying different things. Yeah, let's see if I can get this to flame on. Pretty hot. Alright, I would keep going, but yeah, the transformer is starting to get very hot. Well, warm. So I think I'm going to call it for tonight. But yeah, just a little extra action what you can do. I basically just put some cleaning detergent on there. Some of the powdered stuff that's right back there. Works just as good as salt. Yeah. Or you can try putting some glass on there. Melted that, or bent it. So yeah, it's a very hot plasma flame. Be very careful playing with this. Yeah. Bye.